Are you tired of battling with subpar blenders and food processors that just can't keep up with your culinary ambitions? Say hello to the Ninja TB401 Detect Kitchen System Power Blender Plus Processor Pro, the ultimate kitchen sidekick that's about to revolutionize your cooking experience. Let's dive deep into this culinary powerhouse and explore why it deserves a special place in your kitchen. The Ninja TB401 Detect doesn't play games when it comes to power. With an impressive 1,800 peak watt motor base, it's built to tackle even the toughest ingredients with ease. Whether you're whipping up silky smooth smoothies or tackling heavy-duty food processing tasks, this motor is your secret weapon for culinary success. One of the standout features of this Ninja kitchen system is the innovative Blend Sense technology. It's not just a blender, it's a smart blender that can automatically adjust speed and time to achieve perfectly smooth results. Say goodbye to guesswork and uneven blends. The intuitive dial on the blender informs you of the mode it's in, making your blending experience user-friendly and hassle-free. The Ninja TB401 Detect includes a 72-ounce full-size pitcher, ideal for making large batches of smoothies and frozen drinks for the whole family to enjoy. But that's not all. There's also a 24-ounce single-serve cup with a spout lid for those on-the-go moments. Whether you're entertaining guests or rushing out the door, this system has you covered. This kitchen system doesn't stop at blending. It boasts a 64-ounce power food processor bowl with a feed-chute lid and pusher for easy and safe ingredient addition. Use the single-touch programs for precise chopping, creating velvety purees, and effortlessly processing up to 2 pounds of dough. It's a true multitasker that simplifies your cooking process. The Ninja TB401 Detect doesn't shy away from slicing and shredding. It comes equipped with a slicing and shredding disc that lets you prepare veggies, cheese, and more with remarkable ease. Whether you're prepping ingredients for a salad or grating cheese for a savory dish, this system takes the effort out of it. Want complete control over your blending? The Ninja TB401 Detect offers variable speed control with 10 different speed settings, available exclusively in the full-sized pitcher. Whether you're looking to blend ingredients into a velvety puree or create a chunkier texture, you're in charge. It's versatility at your fingertips. Forget about wondering whether you've added enough liquid to your blend. The Ninja TB401 Detect features a liquid detect function that alerts you when more liquid is needed, ensuring that your blends are just the right consistency. It's a game changer for those perfect smoothies and soups. The last thing you want after a satisfying meal is a mountain of dishes to clean. The Ninja TB401 Detect has you covered with its top-rack dishwasher-safe containers, lids, and blades. Cleanup becomes a breeze, allowing you to savor your culinary creations without the hassle. When you invest in the Ninja TB401 Detect, you're getting a complete culinary arsenal. The package includes the 1,800 PW motor base, 72 ounces, pitcher, 64 ounces, food processor bowl with feed-chute lid, total crushing and chopping blade assembly, 24 ounces, single serve cup and lid, hybrid edge blade, chopping blade, dough blade, and a slicing, shredding disc. It's everything you need to embark on your culinary adventures. In conclusion, the Ninja TB401 Detect Kitchen System Power Blender Plus Processor Pro is a culinary masterpiece that empowers you to explore your cooking creativity. With unmatched power, intelligent blend sense technology, versatile functionality, and precision control, it's the ultimate kitchen innovation. Say goodbye to kitchen frustrations and hello to culinary excellence. Upgrade your kitchen game with the Ninja TB401 Detect today and elevate your culinary creations to new heights.